Alright guys and dolls, out on this gorgeous day. Spent most of it putting my branding on. All I gotta get now are my truck numbers and put my DOT numbers on the doors. But yep. Still got a few more lights to change out to the clear lenses. I might do away with those strobes and just get a regular single strobe at the bottom. Well, might put it at the top, because that's where it actually goes, right above the camera. For some reason, the city had spliced into some of the wrong wires up at the top, and I can't figure them out to make my strobe lights. I know how to do it. Green and a yellow wire on the back of the strobes, and you splice those into the wiring harness and you'll be able to use them for turn signals. But on the right side, I don't know if rats had got to the wires originally and they just bypassed some stuff, but I can't figure it out. So I might just put replace those strobes with just one single old school strobe. And I kind of understand why companies like Waste Industries, why they do that. Probably for the same reasons. Those smart lights are cool, but they can be a hassle. Betty Boop that I drew. Need a seat eventually, but she got to make some money first before I replace it. Y'all remember this guy, huh? I replaced the single joystick with these. These are actually from AMREP, and they are very smooth. Get a hard hat. I just wanted to share with you guys what we're doing here. Got a little more to do. Got to replace my tailgate seal and a couple hoses. Well, more than a couple small hoses. And then she's going to work as soon as I can get some cans. Peace and blessings.